Did you not see this right here?
Say which way? Like right this way, or would it be facing that way?
I'm gonna face this way.
Okay.
This is a terrible idea.
This is. Wait, I'm putting my legs over, right?
Oh, you want to get on a piggyback or are you standing? I think you're still stand.
I was gonna stand where?
On my shoulders.
I'm gonna stand here.
Is this not what you thought?
With my foot up here. Wait a second.
Anybody can do a
I totally misunderstood.
Anybody can do a piggyback.
So I'm gonna be standing like this.
No, I'm gonna be holding on. Hello.
How is this gonna work, dude?
This is a bad idea, and you guys are right in front of a rock.
Okay, come this way a little bit. Okay, go down.
Okay, maybe we should try to piggyback first. And then, okay. Good job. Up your legs.
Dude, don't fucking drop me. So shit. I swear to God.
Holy shit.
Woo! How this pig's turning out?
They're good.
Yeah, you wait a little more than I expected.
Alright, go down.
Your feet out. Hey, a little heavier than I thought.
I don't know how you thought we were gonna do feet. Do I look like a 90-pound cheerleader?
Like,
especially with my hiking boots.
And see.
painful.